Hello and welcome. Very good afternoon. You're watching Mirror Now. I am Afrida Rahman Ali. We are going straight across to New Delhi to bring you pictures from the crematorium where former President Pranab Mukherjee in fact, his mortal remains have arrived there and the last rites are going to be conducted very shortly. Nation mourns the loss of a statesman, a scholar and a great stalwart as tributes pour in for the former president from all quarters. The mortal remains have reached the crematorium earlier in his official residence. President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and other dignitaries paid their last respects. The last rites of the president will be conducted shortly. The Home Ministry has announced a 7-day period of state mourning. Pranab Mukherjee's funeral will take place with full military honours. The former president, viewers would recall, had tested positive for coronavirus. He died on Monday, weeks after a brain surgery was conducted on him, after which he went into deep coma. Pranab Mukherjee was 84 years old. The government and many states have announced 7-day official mourning. Pranab Mukherjee's body was earlier kept in his official residence in 10 Rajaji Marg for people to come in and pay their last respects. Dignitaries from across party lines came in to pay tributes. President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited his residence and paid their tributes. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and chiefs of the three services also paid homage to the former president. In fact, the Defence Ministry earlier in a statement gave out details of the wreath-laying ceremony by the dignitaries, politicians and others, because remember, because of the COVID-19 protocol, the body will be taken for the last rites in a hearse van instead of a gun carriage. So certain precautions are being maintained very strictly, as you can see there as well. People are paying tributes while maintaining certain protocols which are necessary at a time like this. The funeral is going to take place in the Lodi Road crematorium. The last rites, in fact, will commence very shortly. Pictures coming to you live from the Lodi crematorium on Mirror Now. In a statement earlier, the Home Ministry said that as a mark of respect, there would be state mourning throughout India from today onwards up to the 6th of September. And during the period of state mourning, as is the convention, the national flag will fly at half-mast on all the buildings throughout the country. And there will be no official entertainment during this period. Remember, Pranab Mukherjee, widely respected across the political spectrum. He is described as one of the most senior, seasoned statesmen of Indian politics. He served as the Foreign Minister and Finance Minister and External Affairs Minister and Defence Minister, in fact, in several governments of the Congress Party. And then he had, of course, a political career spanning 5 decades, where he started as early as 1970 in Indira Gandhi cabinet, and he demitted office in the year 2017 as the President of India. Let's listen into some of the tributes paid by his colleagues and also by politicians across party lines. Let's first listen into Amit Shah.
कई दशकों तक भारतीय राजनीति की क्षितिज में प्रणव की तरह ही कांतिवान रहकर प्रणवदा काम करते रहे, चाहे पक्ष हो या विपक्ष। एज अ पार्लियामेंटेरियन उनके भाषणों ने हमेशा देश को एक अच्छी बहस दी। नीतियों के निर्धारण की कटु आलोचना करनी हो या स्वयं नीति निर्धारण करना हो, हर बात में प्रणवदा का कौशल्य दिखाई पड़ता था। नॉन कंट्रोवर्शियल होकर काम कैसे किया जा सकता है, अगर वो सीखना है तो प्रणब मुखर्जी के जीवन को बारीकी से अभ्यास करना चाहिए।